In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is load up our Excel document, and then we're going to click on File in the top left hand side, scroll down and select More, and click on Account. Now underneath the Office theme, this is where we can go and enable dark mode. So just click on the drop down menu and select black from the list. And just like that, that's now changed the interface to black. So if we head back over to our Excel document, you can see everything is now black. Now, if you want to change the table to black as well instead of these white cells, then although there's no built-in option to do this, there is kind of a workaround to achieve this. So what you need to do is click on Page Layout in the top navigation, select Background, click on Bing Image Search. Then in the search box, just type in black and uncheck this box next to Creative Commons only. And then we're just going to select this top image here, which is a black background, and press Insert. Now, as you can see, that's changed the background of our Excel document to black. Now what we need to do is change the font color to white, because at the moment, if you type anything into these cells, we won't be able to see it as the font color is set to black. So in order to fix this, move your mouse cursor to the left-hand side between the 1 and A and click on this icon here. When you have all of your cells selected, click on the Home tab, and then underneath font color, we're just going to change this to white. And just like that, we now have a black background with a white font color. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.